Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a rally car, so we're working on seat mounts. I've already made a good start, so I've nearly got the first one in. Okay, so I'll get the other one in. Weld these plates to the body of the car, so that I'm going to seam weld those all the way around, and then I'll place the seat, mark out the holes. I've got to drill the bar and drop in these pins. And I don't know if you can see that, but they're actually threaded all the way through with M8. And there's a square section as well, profile, like goes on the top here, so that the seat can sit flat on the bars. So you can use square tubing, but I couldn't get any, so I've just used this round, which is actually roll cage tube. So I think there is a requirement, minimum 2.5 mil wall thickness. Okay, and then the seat's over here, and on the seat are these approved brackets. Okay, so you just bolt straight through those, and again that's got to be bolted down with a lock washer, M8 as well. You'll find all necessary information. You'll find it all online. Got the plates all tucked into position. Now I'm going to seam and weld them all in. Okay, so I've finished seam welding all those plates in. So I've just got to basically bolt these tubes into place. Bars. Bolt these bars into place, drill out where the seats are going to sit, and put these threaded tubes in. Okay, so I've welded on the flat section on there. This one I haven't drilled out yet. I just put a pilot hole through. This one I've drilled out, and I just literally slid it through and stuck a tack up in there. Okay, so The idea of the flats sections is so the seat, when it gets bolted down, it sits nice and flat on there. Because of the step in this piece, it means it stops it from pulling through, so it goes to that stage and it can't pull up any further. That's it. But it still gets welded this side, and I'll weld that all the way around on that side. Welded in now. You see that the weld raises it where the seat base goes on. So what I'll do is like I've done this one already, I'll just grind it back flat so the seat will sit nice and flat on there. Okay guys, so that's all the seat brackets all now welded in and bolted down. Well, they're not fully bolted down, I just put a couple of bolts in there for now. I'm going to be replacing these bolts in here on the brackets that actually mount onto the seat. It's just what I had lying around, so I've just whacked them on for now, and I'll try the seat in place. I'll probably weld in the plates on the other side, ready for a seat on that side, but we're only actually going to run one seat at the moment in this car. And as and when funds are available, we will put another seat for a co-driver on the other side. We don't actually need a co-driver. So thanks for watching, guys. Please leave any tips and comments. That will be really cool. Okay, cheers for now, guys.